Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling one of the most important pieces of furniture in any living room, the sofa. Choosing the right sofa can make or break your space's comfort, style, and functionality. So, if you're searching for the perfect sofa, stay tuned because we're covering everything from size and style to fabric and comfort. Tip 1. Measure your space. Next, it's all about measuring. The sofa has to fit your living room and leave enough room for other pieces. Start by measuring the length and depth of your available space. Make sure to leave enough clearance for easy movement around the room. Tip 2. Choose a style that matches your room. Now, let's talk style. Sofas come in a variety of looks, from classic to contemporary. If you're aiming for a traditional look, you might go with a rolled arm sofa. For a more modern feel, a low-profile or mid-century design might be better. Make sure your sofa's design complements the overall aesthetic of your living room so it blends beautifully with other furniture. Tip 3. Fabric and color options. Fabric and color are huge. When it comes to fabric, consider your lifestyle. If you have kids or pets, opt for durable materials like microfiber or leather. And then there's color-neutral tones like gray or beige are timeless. Also, keep in mind that darker colors hide stains better. Tip 4. Comfort level. Test before you buy. Comfort is key. If you're shopping in-store, don't hesitate to sit, lounge, and lie down on sofas to get a real feel. Look for a sofa with cushions that offer support yet feel comfortable. If you're buying online, read reviews and check the return policy in case the comfort level doesn't match your expectations. Tip 5. Think about maintenance. Every sofa requires maintenance, but some fabrics are easier than others. Removable covers can be a lifesaver for cleaning, and leather can often be wiped down easily. For fabrics like cotton or velvet, you might need more frequent vacuuming or professional cleaning. And that's a wrap on how to pick the perfect sofa for your living room. Remember, choosing a sofa is a big decision, but by considering factors like size, style, fabric, and comfort, you're sure to find one that suits both your space and lifestyle. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more design tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.